Okay, so the front section of this SR71 is going to have to come off the main body quite a bit. Just because it's so long, and we'll need to get this in and out of the basement, etc. So here's the current design of how the nose goes on. We've got 4 of these alignment dowels, carbon fiber alignment dowels. And basically the process is you install the dowels like that, you slide this nose section onto the main body, and then they give you 4 screws, and you're supposed to reach in from the equipment access hole here, and you're supposed to reach in. You're supposed to reach in like this, and you're supposed to put your screws in from the back side. Let's see if I can do that to one. So there'd be one there, be one there, there's one over here, and then there's one over this way. These ones here would probably be manageable, but to get your hand in the access port and then around and try to find this hole here, which I'm having some trouble doing right now, and then also try to get an Allen wrench in there to tighten things up would have been a bit of a challenge. So Sandra and I sat down and came up with a new design of how we're going to try to get this nose on and off. Basically what we did is made up 2 carbon fiber hooks, and these hooks go into a slot on the main fuse and allow this nose to basically hang from the hooks just so that we can do setup. So carbon fiber hooks hold the fuse on and align it all. And then what we do is we made up an access hatch in the bottom. We then slide these carbon fiber rods on from the inside, and then we bolt it from the inside all through this access hatch. So I'm going to flip this over and show that hatch. Okay, a little bit of Windex. I was just cleaning it. So there's the access hatch now. I will take the hatch . Okay. So there's the hatch. You can see there's a couple tubes that basically capture these alignment dowels. And I have to still paint the Hysol black here. The Hysol is just drying that holds these BVM pins in place. So we had some chats with the designer of this plane about if we make a hatch, does that weaken the structure any? To be safe, what we did is we put in a carbon fiber, a new former. It's 2 mil thick carbon fiber plate, and the former goes basically right here. You can see it there. And then we also boxed it in with another piece, carbon fiber former, that basically creates this box effect. And there's a little bit of a recess here to allow for access into that bolt. So basically it hangs from the hooks. You open up this hatch, and then it's a very simple process of going in here and putting in the dowels. There'll be 2 there. And there is another 2 here. Just like this. So those dowels are going from the inside. Then you take your bolts. You put your bolts on from the inside, you tighten it up, and then you put the hatch back on. So I was doing some twist tests just to see just how strong this is, and it's absolutely unbelievable how strong it is with an extra former here, and then you box it in with another former here. You can also see that the hatch has also been boxed in. with some carbon fiber as well. Makes it super, super strong. There we go.